Welcome to SelfServe360. Here's a quick demo showing how a business owner or a staff member can log into their SelfServe360 portal and access their reports. First, on the home screen, tap or click the SelfServe Portal Login button. Then click on Merchant Login to begin. You will be redirected to the login page, then enter your merchant ID. This only has to be done the first time there after you enter the username and type in your password. And next, check on this small box by clicking on it so you can agree for your customer to receive text messages. After that, click Save. Now here, enter your username and type in your password. Next, check on this small box by clicking on it so you can agree for your customer to receive text messages. After that, click on this box which says, "I'm not a robot," to complete the CAPTCHA. At last, you can also check on this box which says "Remember me," so you don't have to type in your username and password again and again. After entering your details, press Sign In. You will be redirected to the merchant dashboard. On the left-hand side, you can see the option that says Reports. From this section, you can access all your reports. Please keep in mind, we are adding more reports every week to the software in order to help you stay on top of your business. There are a total of 10 types of reports available at the moment. 1. Purchase reports. 2. Return purchase reports. 3. Sales reports. 4. Sales items reports. 5. Refund reports. 6. Payments reports. 7. Stock reports. 8. Reorder items reports. 9. Void sales reports. 10. Customer sales reports. It's that simple. SelfServe360 is committed to making your experience as smooth and secure as possible. If you have any issues regarding login or accessing your reports, you can reach out to us anytime via email at info@nwc360.com or phone number 8707-331-0757 extension 2. You can also chat with us online for a quick response. We're here to help you grow your business for yourself, but not by yourself. Thank you for choosing SelfServe360, a next world communication service. Enjoy your experience.